You need to see this Smoky Mountain Lime Pickle potato salad. This southern style potato salad gets its unique flavor from sweet lime pickles, mild jalapeños, and a creamy smoky dressing. The potatoes have already been cooked until tender. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large bowl. While the potatoes are still warm, add lime pickle brine, pickled jalapeno brine, and apple cider vinegar. Toss gently, coat the potatoes, and let them rest while we prepare the dressing. To make the dressing, combine mayonnaise, yellow mustard, whole grain mustard, and Dijon mustard. Add bread and butter pickle brine, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, celery seed, black pepper, and salt. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Then adjust the seasoning if needed. Add the chopped eggs, water chestnuts, lime pickles, lime pickles, bread and butter pickles, jalapeños, celery, red onion, and green onions. Gently fold everything together. Add the dressing to the potatoes and fold until everything is evenly coated. Take care not to break apart the potatoes too much. Finish with green onions, egg halves arranged on top, and a sprinkle of smoked paprika. Serve over a bed of romaine lettuce and garnish with a few more green onions and paprika. Let's give it a taste. This is creamy, sweet, tangy, and has just a little heat from the jalapeños. The lime pickles, lime pickles, give it a flavor you don't find in a traditional potato salad. This Smoky Mountain Lime Pickle Potato Salad is a unique twist on a Southern classic. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe and come hang out because I will be doing this again.